Hi guys! In this video I am going to show you how to crochet baby blanket with basket stitch. You will need crochet hook number 7, needle, measure tape and this bulky yarn from Himalaya Dolphin Baby or some similar yarn. You will need 3 colors of yarn. I chose creamy, light salmon and cappuccino. Together you will need about 5 skeins of yarn. So let's get started. Start with chain 62. Try to make really nice chains, don't be in a hurry and continue working. Pause the video if you want and meet me back when you will have done chain 62. Now we are going to make only double crochets and start with third chain. So grab the yarn, insert the hook into the third chain. You have 3 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn and pull it through 2. Grab the yarn again and pull it through 2. This is double crochet. In this row you will make 1 double crochet in each chain. So continue working 1 double crochet in each chain to the end. We are at the end of this row, so make 1 double crochet into the last chain. Now chain 2 and turn your work. In this row we are going to start to make front post and back post double crochet. Start with 4 front post double crochet. One, 2, 3 and 4. And now let's make 4 back post double crochets. And last one. And now make 4 front post double crochet again and repeat this pattern to the end. I'm at the end of the second row. Make 4 front post double crochets, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now make 1 double crochet in the last stitch here. Chain 2 and turn your work. In third row you will start with 4 front post double crochet again. So you'll work with the same pattern like in previous row. Now make 4 back post double crochets. Work your way to the end of your project, but in 4th and 5th row you will start with back post double crochets. So it means you will always start with front post double crochet in 2 rows, and then you will start with back post double crochet in another 2 rows. So this is basket stitch. My blanket will have a length 80 centimeters and the width of the blanket will be 70 centimeters. It is enough large for baby. Okay, go ahead, pause the video and then meet me back and I will show you how to finish it off. I'm going to make 1 single crochet all the way around the blanket. Just in corners, make always 3 single crochets into the same space. Make 1 single crochet into each big space. It's space between double crochets, so you can see that well. I think very well. Here. So continue working 1 single crochet all the way around the blanket. Make 3 or 4 rows together. At the end, of course, make a slip stitch. I have done my blanket. I think it's really cute and super soft. You can see the border here. I made the border in the same color, so it's up to you. If you want a different color, make it with different color. I made flowers from the other skein of yarn. This is blanket for baby girl. That's why I made flowers in these colors. And in next video I will show you how to crochet this flower. It is very easy. I hope you liked the video and the pattern of the blanket. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and make sure you subscribe my channel. Have a good day and see you soon. Bye bye.